It's time for a nap time reset. I'm working on allowing mess throughout the day in my house because that's just the reality of having a toddler. However, nap time is the time I get to reset my living room for the afternoon chaos. Plus, I get to enjoy a little peace in a clean living room before then. Cleaning up toys just means that my daughter had a fun morning, and I always like to wipe down my tables from sticky messes too. The big task though is cleaning the couch. Having a toddler and a dog, the couch easily gets covered in dog hair and crumbs, so I clean it basically every day. Luckily, my Mattress vacuum is also perfect for cleaning the couch. It's handheld and so easy to use, and it does an incredible job of cleaning up all the remnants from snack time. It's crazy how much this little thing sucks up, but it always leaves me feeling relaxed and in a nice clean living room.